Croup is an infection of the upper airway that can cause narrowing and make it difficult for kids to breathe. Usually, kids start off with cold symptoms and then they could wake up with a classic barky cough. In addition to this classic seal bar cough, they could also have something where if the airways get too narrow, they have this stridor sound, which you're hearing in this video. If your child has difficulty breathing with the barky cough, has noisy breathing even at rest, or is pulling or retracting up in the collarbones or the stomach, that is a reason to go to your local emergency room.